Okay, so in previous class we discussed about iterator and list iterator and how to iterate. So that will be same for hash set, linked hash set, reset, likewise array list, linked list, and vector. So now we are going to discuss about the map. So what is map and how many classes we have in the map? Everything we discussed in high level. So we will discuss in depth. Okay. So first what I will try to show you is, first we will try to recall what we discussed about the map. So when I say map, as we told, so it is a kind of a key value pair. So we can insert two entries at the same time and those are associated, means there is a relation between key and a value which we are storing it, right? So there will be association between those two values. That is nothing but a key value pair. So first what we discussed, actually map is an interface. Map is an interface which will allow us to store the key value pair, right? So that is what we discussed. So when I say hash map and linked hash map and tree map, every map having their own functionality, so that we will try to discuss. So as we know, there is a three different classes which implements the map. First one is hash map, and second one is linked hash map, and third one is tree map. Third one is a tree map, right? So these are the three different classes which implements the map interface. Since these three classes implements the map interface, everybody having the same feature. What is the same feature? It will allow the key value pair. Hash map will allow the key value pair, linked hash map will allow the key value pair, and the tree map will allow the key value pair. Then what is the difference between these two? Then why we need the three different maps rather than using the same map? So in a hash map, when we store the elements, there will be no insertion. Means forget about the keys. Sorry, forget about the values. It is only applicable for the keys, right? Whatever the keys that you are storing, that order will not follow. Insertion order will not follow in hash map. Insertion order will not follow in the hash map. Means it will store all the values, but the order of execution while you are printing, so that print like instead of index 1, it will print index 5th position. So the position will be changed. Where in linked hash map, so it will follow the insertion order. Okay, insertion order. So insertion order is nothing but, so however you are storing the keys, the same way the keys will be printed. When I print the linked hash map value, it will print the order how I stored it, right? Tree map, this is the sorted map. We used to call this as sorted map. Nothing but whatever the keys that was present, whatever the keys that was present, everything is in sorted order. Means it will start with A and it will end with Z. So it is kind of a ascending order. It will follows the ascending order. Okay. So let me declare hash map. Hash map. Okay. It is an integer comma string hm equals to new hash map. Integer comma string. So I will tell you why I have used these two values here. So here you can use integer and string and boolean integer, anything you can use it, right? Only thing is when you store, this will be considered as a key. The first one will be considered as a key, and second one will be considered as a value. First one will be considered as a key, and second one will be considered as a value, right? So now let me add it. Hm dot put is the predefined method here to add, right? So first one 1 comma Nihan. Okay, hm dot put 2 comma Rishi, and hm dot put 5 comma Siri. Okay, hm dot put 8 comma money. hm dot put 4 comma Deep. And hm, if you are printing, you can see what will happen here. Let me run and show you. It will print 1 comma Nehan, 2 comma Rishi, 4 comma Deep, and 5 comma Siri, and 8 comma money. So here one thing you have to observe is here all key value pairs are printing, but order if we see first one Nehan and second one Rishi, third one is Deep, and fourth one is Siri, and the eighth one is money. So whatever the values that we have inserted into the map, everything is printed where order of the execution that is not following the insertion order. How you inserted, that is not printing as you inserted. So that is the drawback with the hash map. When we wanted to achieve that insertion order, we should go with the linked hash map. That's it. So let me show you how it will happen. Linked hash map, right? So here it is L. Consider this is L. Okay, linked hash map. Integer comma string new linked hash map, right? And you can add the same attributes which are added in the hash map so that we will understand the difference clearly. L dot put, same method will be applicable here. L dot put and L dot put, and let me add the sysout statement here, and let me print the L. Okay, so when I run this, you can see what will happen. Here it is printing the, here it is printing all the elements which is present, but you can see one thing that is follows the insertion order. First 1 comma Nihan, and 2 comma Rishi, and 5 comma Siri, and 8 comma money, and 9 comma Deep. So this is also allow us to insert the key value pair. The first one is key and second one is a value, key value pair. So there will be association between the first object and second object. All right, whatever the free define method will be there, I will explain all the methods. First I'm trying to show you the difference between these three maps, right? Let me declare the tree map and we will see what will happen in tree map. One thing you have to observe is only thing it will take care about the first keys. Values will be like whatever the values associated, it will not follow the ascending or order. So only keys is the thing actually that we have to understand. Okay, so why? Because when I say sorted one, it will only sort the keys, it will not sort the values, right? So that's why I'm recalling one more time. Command C and let me add this, and t dot put and t dot put and t dot put and t dot put. And if I print t here, you can able to see the difference between these three and let me print here, right? So now if you see, here it is printing 1 2 4 5 8. So that means all the keys that is present, those are printing as an ascending order, so that is shorted form. So 1 is the first and second and 4 and 5 and 8. Here only thing that you have observed, it is shorted only the keys. So values will not be sorted. If it is sorted values, then it will be jumbling format, it will not be fuzzable. Okay, a couple of methods that I wanted to tell you now. Get, if you can pass get key, it will print only value which is associated with that key. So here if you see, you are passing 5, so 5 is the key, and what is the value that is associated? Siri. Then it is printing the Siri. So what you have to understand here is, get is the predefined method which requires key as an input, but you cannot define it is an integer, because sometimes if you declare string and string, it will be string, and if it is declared boolean and boolean, or character and boolean, so that time it will be changing. So that's why I am mentioning that it requires input as an object as an input, and the return type also object. We don't know what it will return, because if you declare this is string, it will return string. If you declare this is as a character, it will return the character. If you declare this one as an integer, it will return the integer. So only thing that we have to understand is, get is the predefined method which will return us the value which is associated with the key. Input that we have to pass is the key, that is an object, and return type of this get method is an object. Whatever the declaration that you did for the map, so it will return the same value. Let me recall this all the things one more time. Here a hash map and linked hash map, tree map, these are the three classes which implements the map. So map is nothing but a key value pair, so you can store the two values which is having the association. And hash map is not follows the insertion order, where linked hash map follows the insertion order. And a tree map is the shorted map, all the keys that is present in the tree map will follow the sorting order actually. Right here if you see the declaration hash map of integer, yesterday we defined a set and a list where we have added only one value. If you see here, we are adding two values, that is nothing but hash map extends integer comma string, that is nothing but whatever the value that you are storing as a key, that should be integer, it will evaluate. So if I'm storing this as something klm, it will not allow, because it will suggest us to saying that boss you have to add the value as this integer, because it is restricting me and it is trying to tell me that. So that is what we have to understand from this concept. So here hash map extends integer string, that is nothing but, so here you have to add whatever the key that you required, you have to add accordingly. Clear? Any questions please?